Hello everyone, thanks for joining us today. We are here to talk about a challenge that almost every support organization faces at some point, which is tickets bouncing between teams. We have all seen the situations, right? Where ticket moves from one team to another multiple times while customer is still waiting for the solution. Sometimes it only takes 10 minutes to fix the issue, but the ticket spends days moving between queues, a situation commonly known as ticket ping pong. So in this session, we'll explore why that happens and how organizations can actually reduce it by using BoldDesk. The goal is simple, not just to identify the problem, but to walk away with practical actions we can apply right away. And I'm Kanimuri Bharati, a product expert in BoldDesk. As we go through the session, if anything comes to your mind, please tell us in the chat. I'll cover all the questions at the end. So here is our roadmap for the session. First, we'll understand the hidden cost of ticket ping pong, not just the customer frustration, but also the operational inefficiency and business impact. Then we'll discuss the common reasons why tickets keep moving between teams. After that, I'll show a live demo where BoldDesk helps support team improve routing, ownership, collaboration, and SLA compliance. Then we'll look at the metrics that actually matter if you want to reduce the ticket reassignments in long term. And finally, we'll open the floor for questions and discussion. Before we go further, I'd like to quickly understand how common the situation is. Please take a few seconds to answer this poll. How many times does a ticket get reassigned in your organization? 0 to 1 times, 2 to 3 times, 4 to 5 times, or more than 5 times? Thank you for your responses. So let's first understand why ticket bouncing is such a serious issue. Sometimes organizations treat reassignment as just a normal operational activity, but when it happens repeatedly, the impact becomes much bigger than we think. Because over time, the repeated ticket movement creates problems everywhere for customers, support teams, and the business itself. For customers, repeated reassignment creates uncertainty. If customer keeps hearing, let me transfer this to another department or please explain this issue, the experience immediately becomes frustrating. Resolution slows down, trust starts dropping, and eventually customer satisfaction declines. Every reassignment forces agents to spend time rechecking the information instead of progressing the issue. When ownership is unclear, frustration builds between departments, and support teams start spending more energy on coordination rather than resolution, which impacts the productivity. From a business perspective, frequent ticket reassignment directly increases the chances of SLA breaches, and when delay increases, operational cost increases. More escalation happens, managers get involved more often, priority queues become overloaded, and beyond operation, there is a bigger risk that is customer trust and bad reputation. Customers may tolerate one bad experience, but repeated support inefficiencies reduce trust in company itself. So naturally, the next question becomes, why does this reassignments happen so often? Why do ticket reassignment occur even in organization with experienced support team? So now let's look at the reason behind it. One of the biggest reasons is unclear ownership. Sometimes multiple teams are involved in the same customer journey, like supporting, billing, technical onboarding, and operations, and so on. But nobody clearly owns the resolution. So the tickets keep getting reassigned based on assumptions. Another common problem is routing. Many organizations still rely heavily on manual ticket assignment. Ticket forms are incomplete or categorization is inconsistent. Tickets land in the wrong queue from the beginning itself. Then the reassignment becomes unavoidable. Context is another major fact. When agents don't have enough visibility into previous conversations or troubleshooting history or customer details, they hesitate to proceed confidently. In many organizations, different departments may use different tools or different communication methods, or the workflows may be incomplete or different, which makes collaboration even harder and the customer eventually experiences the delay. Sometimes agents genuinely don't have enough information or knowledge base articles or confident to provide the resolution, which leads to more escalations and unnecessary transfers. So over time, reassignment becomes a part of a support culture instead of being treated as an operational inefficiency that needs to be fixed. Let me ask you this from your experience. What is the biggest reason tickets bounce in your organization? Whether it's unclear ownership, incorrect routing, lack of internal collaboration, or missing customer context. Please cast your votes in the poll section. Thank you for your responses. So now that we have seen the key challenges, let's take a look at how support teams can reduce them in a day-to-day operations. The real improvement comes from creating better routing, better visibility, stronger ownership, and smoother collaboration between teams. So I'll walk you through a simple support issue, one that usually involves multiple departments and often turns it into a ticket ping pong if the process is not managed properly. Take, for example, a customer upgrades from a free plan to a premium plan. The payment goes through successfully and everything looks fine from the customer's side. But when they try to access the feature, it cannot be activated. So naturally, the customer will raise a support ticket here. From the customer perspective, this is a simple issue. They don't care which system failed, billing, API, or infrastructure. They just expect the service to work. In traditional support setups of many organizations, for this scenario, the ticket will start bouncing between the teams as you see in this visual. First, it goes to the frontline support, then to the billing team, then to the technical team, and so on. But the customer still hasn't received any resolution. And the key problem here is every team is doing the right thing, but only from their own perspective. By the time the root cause is found, multiple handovers have already happened and resolution time increases significantly because operational ownership remains fragmented here. For this same scenario, let's see how BoldDesk helps support teams to handle this more efficiently and avoid ticket bouncing. In the same way, the customer submits the issue through the portal by adding the issue details. Notice that the intake support form itself is completely structured. Here, while adding the subject itself, the AI gives the knowledge base articles related to it to resolve the issue quickly, which actually increases your ticket deflection rate. Instead of collecting vague information, the form captures the category, issue details, and the actual description, and the file attachment, and the account details upfront. This is very important because poor intake is one of the biggest reasons tickets get routed incorrectly. So after making sure that everything is fine in the form, customer can create this ticket. Now, once the ticket is submitted here, it automatically reaches to the BoldDesk dashboard. So routing happens automatically with the predefined workflows which we have defined in the BoldDesk. So as you can see here, within just a few seconds, ticket has been categorized and the priority has been set and has been assigned to the right team with the SLA policy applied automatically, all without manual effort from the support team. Now you might be wondering how the system knows exactly what to do. And that's where the boldest ticket automation rules comes in. We have defined different automation rules with conditions based on ticket information. Now with this AI prediction capability based on the condition we have set here, tickets are automatically categorized. Priority can be determined using customer type, keywords, issue impact, or even sentiment analysis. So this removes the need for manual triaging and the impact issues can be addressed instantly. Support teams can configure these workflows based on their own business terminology and support process. Rules can be configured based on keywords, priority, department, product, or customer type. And if the tickets containing billing related keywords or matches this account related issue category, the system automatically routes it to the billing and subscription team. Now back to the ticket here. You can clearly see who owns this ticket and which team is involved. No need of manual assignment here because BoldDesk acts like an intelligent dispatcher for this support operations and route it to the correct team. That alone can significantly reduce the ticket reassignment. By making the ownership clear, it prevents the tickets from becoming everyone's responsibility. One reason ticket bouncing becomes dangerous is because every handoff adds delay. But in BoldDesk, you can see the SLA timelines here. So the teams can clearly track response deadlines and resolution targets and escalations based on the priority level. Here you can see based on the priority level, different SLA target has been set here. So if the ticket is not addressed in time, BoldDesk automatically escalates it to managers and can trigger internal alerts. So now your support team, after seeing this issue details, instead of replying immediately, they can first check the full context. So your support staff can click on this view profile option here and immediately see previous interactions, earlier tickets, account details, everything in one place. This eliminates unnecessary back and forth. So even when another team gets involved, they can easily get the full customer history. That improves both resolution speed and customer confidence. So after confirming the premium plan is updated in the customer record, your support staff can just go to the reply box here and click on this AI suggest reply option here to generate the response which contains relevant knowledge articles, suggested resolutions, or AI recommendations. This helps agents to handle more issues independently instead of escalating unnecessarily. And it also cut down the knowledge gap, one of the key reasons tickets bounce between teams. So after making sure everything is okay with the update, your support staff can move to this particular status while replying to the customer. So now we gave a clear update and set expectations. So customers can feel reassured when they know what happens next. You can see the status has been set as waiting for customer and the SLA has been put on hold. Now your support team can move to this private note section here and mention the colleague from the tech team to investigate the loss. While adding the note, they can inform that the particular payment and plan is confirmed from their side. Now your support staff can go to this activity section here to create a task to the infrastructure team. So after filling the necessary details and set the due date and create a task. As you can see here, billing team add notes, API team investigates logs, infrastructure team gets looped in, all within one unified thread. So in BoldDesk, instead of transferring ownership repeatedly, teams can internally collaborate. So instead of ticket bouncing, we now have a parallel investigation. And all of these happens without losing visibility or creating a customer confusion. The customer still experience one connected support conversation instead of being passed around between different departments. So this is a major operational shift from ticket forwarding to collaborative resolution. And this ticket history tab is like an audit trail. Here you can see the boldest background processes like field changes, auto assignment rules, SLAs, triggers, or any status changes which are being applied to the particular ticket. And finally, all the support requests, whether it's from email, portal, or from the support form, everything comes into a single unified inbox. No more switching between tools or apps. So your team can stay focused and efficient and no context will be lost. And when we compare both approaches, in the traditional model, tickets move from team to team, increasing delays and confusion. But in BoldDesk, the ticket stays in one place and the teams move to the problem. This single shift reduces delays, miscommunications, and duplicated effort. As we've seen how support teams can operationally reduce ticket bouncing using better routing, collaborations, and automations, the next challenge now becomes measurement. How do you actually know whether the ticket bouncing is reducing? Because without the right metrics, organizations often assume improvement without real visibility. So let's look at the metrics that matter the most. Reassignment count directly measures how often tickets move between teams. A consistently high reassignment count usually indicates routing or ownership problem. Next is first touch resolution. This measures how often tickets get resolved during the initial handling itself. Higher the first touch resolution usually means better routing, better context, and stronger agent enablement. Next is average resolution time. The more a ticket moves internally, the longer the resolution takes. So reducing reassignment often improves resolution efficiency overall. And tracking the SLA breach trends helps identify operational bottlenecks. If breaches increase after multiple handoffs, it's a strong signal that routing or ownership needs improvement. A CSAT score, when a customer experiences smooth support journey, uh, which means a better ownership, faster resolution, and less repetition, satisfaction naturally improves because customers ultimately remember how easy or difficult it felt to get help. You can also drill down each of these metrics if you need to collect the data. Here, the reopen count is also another useful indicator. Like if customer repeatedly reopens this ticket, it may indicate that the issues were transferred, rushed, or not completely resolved earlier. Now that you have seen all the insights, I'm curious to know your thoughts. Which improvement would reduce ticket bouncing the most in your team? Better automation, clear ownership, improved collaboration, or better reporting and visibility? Please cast your votes in the poll section. Thank you for your responses. So let's wrap up with some of the boldest key features which we have shown in this session. So one of the best ways to reduce reassignment is making sure the tickets can reach the right person earlier. For the BoldDesk, teams can configure smart routing rules based on category, priority, or keywords or customer type. Thus, it reduces the manual dependency, creating a clear accountability from the beginning itself. Next is internal collaboration. With the internal nodes and activities in BoldDesk, different teams can coordinate directly within the ticket itself. This means everyone involved can see updates, conversations, and resolution progress without losing the context. Automation plays a huge role here. I mean, using SLA rules, trigger rules, and AI assisted actions in BoldDesk, teams can focus more on resolution rather than ticket administration. Another major advantage is unified conversations. Keeping customer interactions from different channels in a centralized inbox helps agents understand the complete customer journey much faster. Knowledge based articles and AI suggestions can help the agents to resolve issues independently during ticket handling. And finally, the reporting and analytics can help the team identify the bottlenecks and optimize the process instead of only reacting to the problems. So, with this, we are coming to the end of the session. If you'd like to explore this further, start a free trial to test our BullDesk features or schedule a one-on-one demo with us. Our team can walk you through the setup tailored to your use case, or you can explore our knowledge base articles or contact the support team. Organizations that improve ownership, collaboration, and routing automations don't just reduce the unnecessary ticket transfer, they can also create better employee experience and stronger customer satisfaction. And BoldDesk helps your support teams implement these improvements in a scalable way. Thank you everyone for joining today. I'll now open the floor for question section.